Hey guys, welcome back to DMAC Customs. This video we're not going to be working on the Area 51 or the bomb truck. Going to be heading out to put some graphics on a buddy's 73 Ranchero Ute car truck, pickup truck, car utility vehicle. Anyway, it's white and he wants some blue graphics on it, and we're going to spray some flake in there. Haven't done that before. I'm going to airbrush some scales into it. We haven't done that before either. We're going to be using 2K paint systems. Haven't really done that before either, so don't tell Neil, but we just got to wing it, and like I usually do with most stuff, and have a crack at it. Should maybe watch some YouTube videos before I go. So here it is. It's a 73 Ranchero with a 72 front clip on it, and we're gonna lay some stripes on the side of it. It's a bit of a nod to Neil's Chicano heritage. We're gonna put some fish scales in there too. Number plates doo-doo because it used to be a heap of shit, now it's actually looking quite sharp. Okay, so we're all masked up, ready to go. I'm going to lay down some blue heavy flake metallic first, and then some fish scales, and then some black fades over the top. I thought I'd set the GoPro on to record, but I hadn't for the airbrushing part, so I didn't actually video any of that. At this point we're running out of day, so we still got a couple of coats of clear mixed with some flake to lay down over the top of everything, and then a couple of coats of just straight clear to go down over the top of that. We got it back inside now, and got it all unmasked it really sort of soft, and there goes Neil doing his moonwalk, and yeah, there's the finished product. Still really tacky, but we just wanted to get it unmasked and see what it looked like.
generally pretty happy. Just gotta be careful not to rub down the side of it. So leave it in here for the night, and some close-ups of the sparkles. Could do with a little bit of a block back when it's all nice and hard, and flatten it off a little bit. It's a little bit orange peely, but on the whole, generally pretty happy.
Well, that's Neil's some stuff on the screen. Ranchero Ute graphic. Little nod to the mild custom culture, as he's a fan of that. So with the old fish scales and stuff. Overall, came out pretty cool. Sparkles look pretty cool in the sun. Well, in the light, we've kind of finished it in the dark, so hopefully it still looks good in the daylight. Yeah, so went pretty well. Would have done a couple of little things different. We mixed the candy flake in with, or the Roth flake in with the base colour. We probably shouldn't have done that. Probably should have just put the base down first and then put some candy in the, not candy, keep saying candy, the flake in the clear over the top of that. So we kind of countered that by dropping some of that in, some clear over the top of everything, and then clearing the whole lot. Got it all unmasked as you saw, and yeah, that's about it. Long day. It's night time now. Just got to unload my gear now that I'm back home. And if you like the video, you want to see some more stuff like that occasionally, make sure you hit the subscribe button. It'd be really cool. And like, share, comment, and till next time, peace.